Hello everyone, this is Rahul Jakaria from Sharekhan. Welcome back to exciting 3R actionable stock updates. 3R basically means right sector, right quality and right valuation. These are our investment ideas. Today we have an update on ICICI Bank. Our analyst maintains buy rating on ICICI Bank with a price target of Rs 1300. ICICI Bank continued to report steady performance in Q4. Overall, we see ICICI Bank relatively well positioned among large private peers. Enhanced pressure in the near term and gradual normalization of credit cost in near to medium term would be offset by moderation in operating expenses growth. Thus, we see bank sustaining ROA over 2% in near to medium term. We believe the bank is on the path of delivering a sustainable and predictable earnings growth trajectory. The stock has underperformed the broader indices in last 1 year, and it currently trades at 2.3 times its FY25 and 1.9 times its FY26 core book value estimates. Next we cover Supreme Industries. Our analyst upgrades Supreme Industry to buy with a revised price target of Rs 5,200, factoring upwardly revised estimates on a strong demand environment. The company reported a healthy beat on net earnings for Q4, led by strong volume growth in plastic piping segment. Operating profit margin stayed in line. The management expects a strong 25% year-on-year volume growth in plastic piping for FY25, while the industry is estimated to grow at 12% year-on-year. Piping system capacities are slated to rise to 10.5 LTPA by FY25 end, from 9.5 LTPA in FY24. It would be incurring capex of Rs 1500 crore, including a carry forward commitment. Last week covers Schaeffler India. Our analyst maintains buy rating on Schaeffler India with a revised price target of Rs 3,761 in anticipation of sustenance in domestic demand, success in the high-value EV business, increased localization, inorganic growth opportunity, and expectation of improvement in the aftermarket segment, and also export revenue. Schaeffler reported in-line performance in Q1 of calendar year 24 and witnessed sequential improvement in export revenue. The localization level has reached 77% and export have improved on a quarter-on-quarter basis. The stock trades at price to equity multiple of 39.8 times and EV by EBITDA multiple of 25.8 times its calendar year 26 estimates.
Investment in securities market are subject to market risks. Read all the related documents carefully before investing.